Hi everyone, myself Rekha, um, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Dr.SNSRCAS College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to discuss about the course that is complex analysis. In that unit 1, the topic is nothing but complex function. So first, what is mean by complex? Complex, everyone know that complex analysis. So complex analysis is nothing but studying the number of the complex number. So first of all, complex number was introduced by G. Gardo. And how will you express the complex number? Z equal to x plus iy, where x and y are real numbers. So if you think it is I will be a imaginary number. So that is nothing but an complex number. So if you going to study the properties of that complex number and some of the values of theorems based on the complex number, that is nothing but a complex analysis. So normally complex analysis is based on the meaning of I. I is nothing but I square. If you squaring, you will get a -1. So it will get a rotation form of an 90-degree, and you will get all the values of I. And this is the real form of complex number. If you go with the application of the complex numbers means everything that is imaginary part. If you see a light, that is nothing but a real part. The image of the light, we can say it is an imaginary one. So this is nothing but the combination of this two, we can say it is a complex number. Like that, the abstract equation will be converted in the form of a visualization, in the form of a physical characteristics. That is also a conversion of visualization into one physical things. So this is one of the concepts of the complex numbers also. And if you go with the diagram, if you consider what is mean by complex function, you can consider on z plane. So that is all the functions is transformed to an w plane. So that is nothing but an complex number. Z plane, we are going to apply some function, you will get an w plane, that is w equal to f of z. So if you, for example, if lot of applications are there, for example transferring the signals from one place to another place, etc. Like that, we consider the real as z plane and imaginary as, if you apply some function, it will be a w plane. So first one is domain of the function, and next one we can say it is an range of the function. And now we can define the complex function. How will you define the complex function? You all know that complex number is nothing but z equal to x plus iy. And if apply an function means f of z equal to u of x comma y plus I v of x comma y is a complex function. So this is nothing but w equal to f of z equal to u plus ib. We can go with the example. If for a function w equal to z square plus w, you are going to find an u of x comma y and v of x comma y. So what is the expression of z? Z is nothing but x plus I. We are applying z as x plus I by the whole square plus 1. So what is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So x square plus iy the whole square plus 2x iy plus 4. What is the value of I square? In previous example, we have discussed that I square is nothing but minus 1. So, I will get an answer as x square minus y square plus 4 plus 2x iy. So, what is the value of u of x comma y? U of x comma y is a real function, whereas v of x comma y is an imaginary function. So, u of x comma y is nothing but x square minus y square, whereas v is nothing but 2x. So, using the complex function, first of all we can express, and then you can split the two function. One is real, u is nothing but your real part, and whereas v is nothing but your imaginary part. So, these are the concept of the complex function. So, let us go with the assessment. With a similar way, in previous problem we have discussed, no. So, you can go with the problem to work, and you can here also you can identify the real and imaginary part. F of x equal to e to the power of minus x cos y minus I sin y. And next one concept also, f of z equal to modulus of z. That is, I will give one idea for that. If you apply z x plus iy, what is modulus absolute value of x plus iy? You can write it as root of x square plus y square. So in that you can apply easily. Okay, so next one, you can combine u equal to 3x or v equal to 6xy means you can apply the formula for the complex function. What is the formula? F of z equal to u plus iv. So like that you can go with the complex function. So next one is limit of a functions are there and basic functions are there. So these concepts we can discussed here. So complex functions, what is how to split the complex function using the concepts. So some of the assessment work also I have given, you complete the work. Thank you, students.